Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change primary email address on Facebook. First of all, go on your right upper side on the three dots line and then scroll down and go on settings and privacy within settings. After that, you need to go on personal and account information. Go on that and select the second one, contact info. After that, as you can see now, you go on add email address. Right now guys, go on confirm, and now they will send you a confirmational code that you will need to go on your Gmail and resend it here with your code. Now guys, when you check it out, the confirmational code, type on it. For example, for me is go on confirm. And now as you can see, my primary email is the new email that have sent it on the first section. Now I have a new primary email address on my Facebook. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like. If you have some questions about it, comment down below and see you soon.